Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the color swatch table found within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the main toolbar, so everything that we cover is mostly related to this toolbar at the moment. So now what we're going to do is look at our color swatch table. So on the icons, the one with all these little colors and little blocks, that will be the one to use. By default it will be on, but if it's not, you can simply click on that icon and it will pop it up here at the bottom. Now when it comes to this, there's many different things we can do with it. We'll go into more depth in a future mini series on the color swatch, but for now I'm just going to show you the basics. So if I create, let's say, a shape, let's add it fill and a stroke. So make a stroke, just make it a bit bigger so we can see it. Here we go, we've got a basic shape. Now if you want to change these colors quickly, that is where the color swatch comes in handy. So let's say I want to choose this color for the fill. All I have to do is simply with my left mouse button click on the color I want. It will change it to that. Now if you want to change the stroke quickly without having to come into your fills and stroke editor to change it here, what you can do is simply on this color swatch panel, you can just keep control in, click the color you want, and it will change the actual stroke for you. So it's very handy and quick way to go around editing your fill and stroke colors. So I'm going to make this back to black, and then yeah, we have that set, which is quite convenient. Now if I had to right click the menu or the swatch, you will see we have a list of things we can do, and like I mentioned, we're going to go into more of this in a future video, but for now the main features it's good to know is where to locate it. So here on your main toolbar, the one with the little color blocks, and then at the bottom to change colors you can simply left click the color with the shape selected obviously, and then control plus left click this to change the color of the stroke. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the swatches table. In the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.